how to turn on pocket mode for your ZTE Axon 40 Pro phone here. Let's get started. To find this feature, you can use the quick panel access and go into the settings by tapping on this gear icon here. And to quickly find it, you can use the search settings, type in the words pocket mode, all right? And as you start to type it, you'll see there is a suggestion known as pocket mode. When you tap on that one time, it'll take you to exactly where you want to be under the gesture and motion section. You'll see pocket mode here, and you can choose to turn it on from here or dive into it and turn it on from here. And basically, if this is on, your phone is in your pocket and not in silent mode, it will vibrate and ring at full volume when a call comes in. And that's what the pocket mode does. And of course, as always, you can come back and turn this feature off. And do keep in mind that in future updates, sometimes some features may be removed. So this is with Android 12 at the moment and the time of this video. Like, sub, thanks for watching.